Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install Fortnite on your Chromebook with an Xbox controller, PS4 controller, whatever controller you want to use. So I hope you enjoy. This is the updated version because my last video didn't work, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button with notifications on. That would really help me out. You're probably wondering, why should I subscribe with notifications on? Well, it's because I upload daily tech and Chromebook content just like this for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm on my Chromebook. First what you want to do is go to the link on screen or go to the link in the description below. Go ahead and go to Fortnite. It will usually be in featured. You can just scroll and Fortnite will be in one of these. Just keep scrolling down. Fortnite's usually in free to play, but mine's in my library. Just go ahead and click on it and click play, and then it will bring it up in the browser. So it might say waiting for the next available rig. Yep, it says that. You have to wait 7 minutes, and then once those 7 minutes are up, it will let you into the game. So we're going to wait for that.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so once it's done, it'll say your rig is ready. Continue the game in full screen. Click continue. It's going to go ahead and give you a Windows cursor when it puts you in here, and then it's going to load up the game. So we're going to wait for it to be done loading up Fortnite. Alright guys, so once you're in, you'll be at this screen. Just go ahead and choose what game mode. I'm going to play Battle Royale. And then it's going to go ahead and put you in the lobby where you can start playing. It'll put you on this screen. Just hit escape and you can go ahead and ready it for whatever mode you want to play with. My username is .exo, not dot, but EXO in caps. Scythe. Go friend me. I have a ton of friend requests, but I will be accepting some. Just comment down below your username and I'll play with you sometime. And yeah, this is how you get Fortnite on a Chromebook. Now, how to connect an Xbox controller. Alright guys, so to connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook, this is method 1. First you want to get your cable. It has to be a micro USB to USB cable. I have an adapter right here because I have USB type ports. Go ahead and plug the micro USB part into the front of your Xbox controller, and then plug this side right here into the side of your laptop or your computer, and then go ahead and plug it in. And then it will turn on just like this, and then let's go see if it connected. Alright guys, so once it's plugged in, just go ahead and click a button on the controller and kind of move it around. And now guys, you see it's connected. You can click Y to ready up, play a game, and click B to cancel. You can use X, you can change the game mode. As you can see, I'm controlling it right now. You can choose whatever game mode you want. And here is method 2 on how to connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook. Alright guys, on to method 2, the Bluetooth method. Go ahead and grab your Xbox controller and then turn it on, and then hold this little button right here on the back, and then it will start flashing just like this, and then go on to your Chromebook and go to the Bluetooth and then connect it. Let's do that right now. Alright guys, so what you want to do is go ahead and go to the time on your Chromebook and then go to Bluetooth and then go to unpaired devices. Wait a couple seconds and then the Xbox wireless controller will pop up down there. Click on it and then click, it will say connecting to Xbox wireless controller. Wait for that to be done. It may take a couple seconds, and then once it's done, get your controller. It will stop flashing, and then you can go ahead and go back into your game. Click back to game, move some buttons, and now you're connected. Bluetooth. You can play games, whatever you want to do. And yeah, now this is how you connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below, subscribe to get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shouts for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them and subscribe to me. We'll leave shouts for you guys. Enjoy Fortnite on your Chromebook, and it's IrwinTech signing out.
Yeah.